English Idioms Unveiled, piece of cake. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the common English idiom, piece of cake. This phrase is used quite frequently in everyday English, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into English-speaking cultures. So, let's dive in and explore this sweet-sounding idiom. Piece of cake is an idiom that means something is very easy to do or accomplish. It's used to describe tasks or activities that require minimal effort or pose little challenge. The phrase is often used to reassure someone that a task is not as difficult as it may seem or to boast about one's ability to do something effortlessly. The exact origin of the phrase, piece of cake, is a bit hazy, but it's believed to have been popularized in the 20th century. One theory suggests that it comes from the tradition of giving cakes as prizes in competitions. In this context, winning a cake was seen as an easy and delightful reward, hence the association of cake with ease and pleasure. Using piece of cake in a sentence is, well, a piece of cake. Here are some examples to help you understand how to use it in different contexts. Don't worry about setting up the computer, it's a piece of cake for me. I thought the test would be difficult. But it was actually a piece of cake. She finds solving complex math problems a piece of cake. If you enjoy learning idioms, here are a few that have a similar meaning to piece of cake. Walk in the park, something very easy or effortless. Easy as pie, extremely easy or simple. Child's play, something so simple, even a child could do it. And that's a wrap on the idiom, piece of cake. Remember, next time you find something surprisingly easy, feel free to describe it as a piece of cake. It's a fun and expressive way to convey that something was no trouble at all. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and soon using these idioms will be a piece of cake for you too. See you in the next video.